Who among us has not gazed into the sky, watching a drone cut through the air with precision and thought, I could do that, I could be a professional drone pilot. Becoming a professional drone pilot is not a dream, it's a goal, and it's achievable with the right guidance. Today, we'll be walking through a step-by-step guide on how to get the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate, your ticket to the world of professional drone piloting. Step 1. Understand the requirements. Before you can fly, you need to know if you're eligible. The FAA requires that you're at least 16 years old, able to read, speak, write, and understand English, and be in a physical and mental condition that allows you to safely operate a small UAS. Step 2. Study for the FAA Aeronautical Knowledge Test. This is a test that will challenge your understanding of airspace classification, emergency procedures, drone maintenance, and more. There are online study courses available, but if you're more of a do-it-yourself type, the FAA provides a free study guide on their website. Step 3. Schedule the knowledge test. Once you feel ready, you can schedule your test at an FAA-approved knowledge testing center. There are hundreds of these centers across the United States, so finding one nearby shouldn't be a problem. Step 4. Pass the test. This is where all your hard work pays off. The test consists of 60 questions, and you'll need to score a 70% or higher to pass. Don't stress though. With proper preparation, you'll conquer this test with ease. Step 5. Complete FAA Form 8710-13. After passing the test, you'll need to fill out this form for a remote pilot certificate with a small UAS rating. This can be done online through the FAA's 𝐖𝐤𝐺 system. Step 6. Pass the TSA security background check. Before you can be certified, the Transportation Security Administration will conduct a background check. This is a standard procedure to ensure the safety of the national airspace system. And there you have it. 6 steps to becoming a certified drone pilot. You start by understanding the requirements, then progress through studying, scheduling, and passing the FAA Aeronautical Knowledge Test. After that, you'll complete the necessary FAA form, and finally, pass a TSA background check. It's a journey, but with focus and determination, you'll soon be soaring above the rest, a certified drone pilot. So why wait? The sky is not the limit, it's your playground. Start your journey today, and before you know it, you'll be the one cutting through the sky with precision, inspiring others to turn their dream into a goal.